How's it going, Mr. Good? I am just checking in, doing my reflection for essay number two. Overall, I feel pretty good about my essay. I feel like I did a lot better on this one than on my last one. Um, I felt like my thesis was a lot more clear, and throughout the essay, I felt a lot more comfortable with the direction that I was headed and how I organized myself and conducted the essay. Valuable pieces of feedback that I received through peer review was that at times I sounded very biased in parts of my essay, and that was something that I had to change up, and that was very essential. Um, Different areas that I feel that I could improve on in the future on my next essays is definitely coming up with more of those supporting points and really driving home the thesis. And just being more fluent throughout the paper. So, yeah. All right, cool. Thank you.